In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from a Slack channel, 2026 Step-by-Step Admin Tutorial. If you manage a Slack workspace or help keep channels organized, knowing how to remove someone quickly and cleanly is essential. Before we start, a quick note on permissions. You'll need to be a channel owner, admin, or a member with the right privileges to remove people. If you don't see the options I mention, it likely means your role doesn't allow it, or the channel has special settings like Slack Connect or restricted membership. In that case, check with a workspace admin. Start by opening Slack and going to the specific channel where the person currently belongs. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and the correct channel, especially if your sidebar has a lot of similar names. It helps to confirm the channel's purpose or topic in the header, so you're acting in the right place. At the top of the channel, click the channel name in the header bar. This opens the channel details panel, which is where you can access settings, topics, pinned items, and the full membership list. If you're on a smaller window, the panel might slide out from the right. That's expected. Inside the channel details panel, choose the members section. This shows everyone who currently has access to the channel. You can use the search field to quickly locate the person you intend to remove, which is handy in large channels. Next, hover over the members entry and click the 3 vertical dots, often labeled as More Actions. This menu is context-specific to that person, so be sure you've selected the correct individual before proceeding. Double-check their display name and profile details if needed. From the menu, select Remove from Channel. Slack may prompt you to confirm. Once confirmed, the person is immediately removed and will no longer see new messages or files in that channel. Their past messages remain in the conversation history for context and compliance, but they lose ongoing access. If the option is unavailable, it typically means you need higher permissions or the channel is externally shared with restrictions. As a best practice, consider informing the person or leaving a brief note for the team if the removal impacts current work. Keeping communication clear helps avoid confusion. That's it? You navigated to the channel, opened channel details, viewed members, used the More Actions menu on the right person, and selected Remove from Channel. Follow these steps anytime you need to keep channel membership tidy and relevant.